My name is Vanessa Anderson.
And my name is Ian Usher, and we want to introduce you to the wonderful world of house sitting.
Yes, house sitting has become very popular and continues to grow as more and more people become aware of the benefits. So what is it? Well, put simply, you get to look after someone's home and pets while they're away in return for free accommodation. It's a win-win-win situation for the homeowner, the pets, and for you, the house sitter.
Absolutely. Vanessa and I are full-time global travellers, and we've used house sitting successfully since 2011, first as homeowners, then as sitters. We now work remotely as we house sit our way around the world. We'd like to help you achieve this too, whether it's for a shorter vacation or as a full-time way of life.
Yes, this course covers all the techniques used by successful house sitters. We reveal our best tips and strategies to help you secure the assignments of your choice time and time again. You'll discover the simple secrets to becoming a credible, well-respected house sitter right from the start.
We'll show you which websites offer the best house-sitting services, how to create a cracking profile, and how to build credibility with references, even as a newcomer. We'll cover what to say in your application and all the questions you should ask your homeowner.
Then you'll learn what to expect at the handover, how to make the most of the experience, and how to guarantee a great reference when you hand back the property and pets. We'll even help you get started with expanding your skill set so that you can secure luxury house sits in stunning worldwide locations, all the time saving you money on accommodation.
This course includes a wealth of downloadable information, including message templates, checklists, and other resources. And we have our own house-sitting community on Facebook, where you can share your experiences and get the support of other like-minded house-sitters.
Yeah, if you're responsible, trustworthy, and genuinely enjoy looking after pets, you're going to love this course. It will offer you the possibility of longer, more interesting holidays. In fact, it could even change the way you live
Yeah.
your life. So let's get started. In less than 3 hours, you could be on your way to living the life of your dreams.